Hello everyone, let's eat with our hands. Today we have Nasi Padang from Bukit Tinggi. I usually get ayam gulai, but today I got ayam pop. Wow! I've never had Nasi Padang from Bukit Tinggi before. Selamat makan! That's good. Some veggies. My favorite, dendeng batoko, red chili, and also green chili. Wow. Sorry guys, this is actually nasi kapau. Okay, I just searched up the difference between nasi padang and nasi kapau. Turns out they're basically the same. Difference is when you eat at the restaurant. My nose is running. Yeah, I'm going Pilates after this.